Okay guys, so today I'm going to be discussing, this is a new little product that we are putting on our website, which is specifically to help you guys out there that are trying to retain the reverse cameras on the Subaru or the Toyota vehicles, anything new. If you have a factory reverse camera, generally on the Subarus this is constantly required, but also some of the Toyotas, there are 6-volt factory reverse camera, and most new stereo systems will be 12 volts. So to retain that, you need a voltage reducer. Now, previously in the past, there's been some harnesses like this that use this little FET reducer, which is like a circuit board reducer that goes from the factory reverse camera plug, reduces it down to 6 volts, and has a camera output for the signal as well, so you got a power and trigger. But we find on these, they are not very stable, and when you have the car on or off, it may not work because the voltage varies a lot, and especially if someone's wired other accessories into the harness as well. So the best device or best product out there that we found is this. This is the Volt 39. It's from PAC. It is a variable resistance or variable voltage, selectable. So you can actually choose 5, 6, 9 volt, whatever voltage output that you actually want to give to the camera to power the camera. Now, this is very, very stable, okay? I really love this device. It's worked on all those Subarus out there where we've had problems. It is very simple and easy to use. So this is a BRZ harness we actually have here. It looks a little bit messy, but bear with me and I'll just quickly explain. So we have this here. This is the camera, the factory camera retention plug, where it has the video signal out, which you can see there, and you also have the powers to it. And the way this device works is very, very simple. The black wire on here goes to earth. The red and the blue together go to an accessory power, like a 12-volt source, and the white and red output goes directly to the camera. So I'm going to put the white and red to the output to power the camera. The black's going to go to the earth on this harness. And I'm just going to use the accessory 12-volt off the stereo to power this camera, because these cameras are actually designed to be on all the time while driving, and they have a separate reverse trigger that tells the screen to flick over. So accessory power on the Subarus and Toyotas is okay to use. It doesn't have to be your reverse light signal. But I'm going to put this on the web today for you guys. The Volt 39 voltage adapter with selectable outputs. Very, very stable. So specifically for you Subaru guys, Toyota out there, want to retain that factory reverse camera, that's the device we use. Not very expensive, but it'll save you getting a new reverse camera.